Girl, y'all done made me come out of retirement to make this video. Hey babes, it's Jody, and if you want stunning, it looks expensive but it's under 30 bucks hair, you know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys how to prep your hair, install 2 versions of this wig that I found, y'all, and the pros and cons of these brand new products that just hit the market. First, the biggest plus is that prepping your hair is super simple. So for this style, you part your hair in 2 simple ponytails. You can do it neat or messy, so there's no set way, and whether you have natural or straightened hair, you can rock these styles, and it makes it beginner friendly. So yep. Alright, so let's take a closer look at what made me get out of bed for this. Okay, so these are called the Sensational Instant Up and Down Half Wig and Wrap Ponytail Kits. I went to my local beauty supply, found these. They were 30 bucks. I'm pretty sure they're cheaper online, and I wanted to review these ASAP because I've never seen anything like this before. So with one pack, it gives you so many different ways to wear it, and so far I came up with like 6 different ways, but for one pack of hair, that's literally unheard of. And although there are many style options, you guys, I'll be showing you the half up half down look because I think that's the hardest but also the cutest. So I'm installing the half wig portion in the back by attaching the clips and adjusting the wig, and I really like that this half wig piece, it's big enough to fit different head sizes, and so it adjusts really well into this modified style in the back, and I could fit my small head, but I'm pretty sure if you have a big head, this will fit also without being too bulky. Now it's time for the main attraction. Pun intended, you guys. Big pun intended. Now this is what made me buy it. It's the matching wrap ponytail that comes with the set. So it has a teeny weeny comb in the middle and an extended piece of hair. You use that to wrap it around the ponytail extension. This is interesting to say the least, you guys. I'm gonna show you how to use it, shall we? So we take the teeny weeny comb and we try our best to secure it in the middle at the base. And now we're just tempted to just wrap it around thinking it's so easy. Well, it ain't. I soon realized that you need to secure this thing. You're gonna need probably 1 or 2 bobby pins. Just make sure it won't get snatched off or just fall off. I would hate for you to go out like that, sis. So we secure this thing down and we wrap the piece horizontally around the band of the ponytail. You'll probably need some hairspray as well, because if you want this ponytail to stay put throughout the day, you kind of have to move it along, give it some assistance, give a little bit of help. So bobby pins and hairspray are key. Okay, so how are you feeling about this one, you guys? And wait, there's more. This is actually one of the 2 curly styles I'm showing you in this video, so stay tuned. This one is the more loose curly or wavy version of the half up half down series. This specific unit, I'm wearing a color 1B, although my hair is closer to like a color number 2, but y'all know I have to show you guys the most popular color. Y'all love a 1B. So again, you guys, this is the half up half down, and the model number is UD2, like up down 2. Hey, for my curly girls, I'm going to show you guys another one. So this is the big curly one, and like I said, these are the 2 curly styles. So out of the 4, there's 2 curly ones. Both of these will match your naturally curly hair. So straight out the gate, I already know this hair is big. Okay, well, at least it has enough hair, because girl, some of these wigs be so sparse. But what you can do is just trim some hair off if you want to reduce the density, or just cut it shorter. And I want you guys to not be afraid to customize. And I had to put this in there, so while I was putting on the half wig, I found an impromptu style by using only that piece. So you just take some extra hair from the back and make a little bun at the top, and now you have your ponytail left over to wear another day. So there's like literally so many options for under 30 bucks. I think that's just perfect. And just for consistency and comparison of these 2 styles, I'm gonna do the same half ponytail that I did with the other set. And you guys, I discovered a foolproof method to get your ponytail to stay in case you're not good at doing hair and you want to be secure. I just grabbed 2 pieces and tie it into a knot in the back. You can also just use a rubber band and tie it up, and it won't budge, you guys, I promise, once you wrap it around your hair. And I totally forgot I left my twist hanging in the video, but The hair ended up concealing my natural hair really well, so I guess it doesn't matter. I could have probably even left my natural hair out in the ponytail and it would have been fine. So here we have it, folks. 2 gorgeous curly styles. These are so perfect, like for my hardworking women, my college students, mothers, pregnant ladies with no time in the world to spare. I don't know the struggle, but I swear this would work for you. And you can have a new style every day of the week with one purchase. And I don't know if you girls can relate, but usually when you get a wig, you just basically committed to whatever the wig looks like, but not with these units. They're affordable and they're interchangeable. The only thing I don't like about these, you guys, I just wish that the ponytail piece was more secure, or they could have made the wrap piece match the texture of the hair. I don't know. I'm tripping probably. Let me know what you girls think. And nonetheless, it is always a great time to try something new. So until next time, babes, be sure to subscribe for more hair videos and other ways to live your best life.